1981 GMC C1500 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's got that drag truck feel to it. We'll get into that in just a little bit. Underneath the hood, small block Chev power. That's paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. It'll be a fun one to drive. Cowl hood. Let's take a look at this. Front end, painted to match bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. When we pop the hood here in just a bit too, you're going to see Holley 4-barrel underneath there. Headers, dual exhaust. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see engine bay, undersides, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. Click on the link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, you click on that link, so it'll take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Weld racing wheels, polished aluminum. Disc brakes up front. You'll see a sway bar up front too when you look at the undersides. Ford 9-inch rear end in the back with ladder bars, adjustable coilovers are some of the things you're going to see. From the underside pics, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels nice and straight. Paint shows well. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Interior cloth bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run at the very end of the video. We're going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I mentioned that drag truck feel. You can see tubbed rear end, fuel cell relocated to the rear, as well as the battery. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We get a look at the rear of the truck. There's the dual exhaust exiting the rear. Again, headers, dual exhaust all the way through. If you noticed walking down the passenger side, door handles have been shaved. It does have a popper. I'm going to show you how that works when we go to start it up and get in that driver's door. But first, once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into this body style Chevy truck, maybe it's like Chevy trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at UniqueClassicCars.com. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles within them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. You can see that paint practically looks wet looking up and down this driver's side, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches on this side also. All right, let's go ahead. I got the popper key fob in my pocket, and this is the quietest popper I think I've ever had in here that I've done. So let's go ahead. Watch this popper. Look at that. How quiet that was. It will go all the way. There we go. Door panels. Two-tone with the black and red interior. And again, cloth bench seat. Seat belts intact. Tilt column. Does have auto meter aftermarket gauges. Have the wipers working. I did not get, it has an aftermarket Kenwood stereo. I did not get that to power up, but has been installed. All right, let's go ahead. Fire this up so you can hear it run. So again, it's more of the kind of drag feel to it, shift light. See the shifter in the interior. Let the fuel pump run a little bit, give it a couple of pumps. There you can see the tach working. Let this warm up just a little bit. That was a cold start. You can tell by the temp gauge there. Fuel gauge. Which one do we have? Volt and oil pressure. It's also a trans temp down below. Dash. Looks good. Now, you could always leave this wing window open too if you wanted to get into it from the outside. and just reach in, roll the window down, or pull the door handle. We don't want to deal with the popper, but like I said, popper works fine. Take a listen. Sounds good. A little rumble coming out of that small block Chev. I do want to mention the hood release is in this driver's fender well right here. That's where the pull's at, so you can see the hood pop for future reference. And there's also a prop rod, nice chrome one. I'm going to get that prop rod in, check out the engine bay, stick around. Very end, Jason's taking this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And we got the hood popped, propped open. Finish off nicely underneath there. Again, small block Chev. Ollie carb. Looks like pedal block, intake manifold, power steering, power brakes. Also see the headers I mentioned. Aluminum radiator. MSD ignition. It's a nice, clean, tidy engine bay. It'd be one of those trucks that would be fun for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. 1981 GMC C1500 regular cab short box. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1981 GMC pickup truck. This is an automatic with a Hurst shifter right here on the floor. Lots of grip, lots of power. This truck launches very nicely. We have gauges from Autometer in the dash. Now the speedometer is not moving. Tachometer is. Water temperature is 190. Oil pressure 60. Volts 14.5, and the fuel gauge is showing half full. We have a Kenwood stereo on the dash. Comfortable soft cloth bench seat. Nice design on the doors. Black fabric carried through on all the molding and trim in here, and the headliner. Great red paint job on the outside. We have a fuel cell and the battery mounted in the bed. This truck is ready to race. Excellent power steering. Brakes working very well. Let's hit the throttle again. Wow, you can actually feel the front end lift. Now it doesn't leave the ground, but it lifts a bit when you hit that throttle. This is a fun truck. You're going to want to take a look at all the pictures and learn about what makes this truck so fast at UniqueClassicCars.com.